We have only one Earth, which is our only homeland. Papermaking industry is closely related to our lives. The worldwide papermaking technology is developing towards the direction of low carbon, low pollution, and low energy consumption. The green pulping technology has become the mainstream of the development of the papermaking industry. This video introduces a clean pulping process of a chemical pulp. The process mainly includes the screening, purification, washing and oxygen delignification of the stock, and the elemental chlorine-free bleaching of the pulp. Firstly, the cooked stock is fed into the pressure knotter, where the undigested bulky fiber constituents and knots shall be removed from the stock. And then the stock is fed into the primary pressure screen. The tailing from the pressure knotter is fed into the knot washer. The bulky fiber constituents and knots are discharged from the reject outlet of the knot washer. The screening is composed of 4 stages on one classification. The accepted stock of a back stage is fed into the inlet of the front stage, and the diluted tailing stock of the front stage is fed into the back stage in order to carry out the secondary screening. The rejects of the last stage is fed into the rejects washer. The washed rejects shall be squeezed and dehydrated by the single screw press and conveyed to the rejects processing system. The good fiber in the rejects shall go back to the system as much as possible by this process. To reduce the fiber loss and increase the pulp yield, the total rejects rate of the system is below 1.5% by this kind of screening method. The screened stock is fed into the twin-roll wash press for displacement washing. The washing of the brown pulp is carried out by 2 twin-roll wash presses in series. The washing efficiency of the single equipment is above 88%. The COD amount which the air-dried pulp brings to the oxygen delignification stage per ton after the washing shall be less than 70 kilograms. The washed stock is fed into the 2 stages of oxygen delignification system. The residue lignin and oxygen in the stock shall react sufficiently with the alkali liquor under the specific temperature. The lignin shall be degraded and the oxygen delignification rate is up to above 60%. Then the stock is fed into the 2 twin-roll wash presses in series and it shall be displaced and washed. The COD amount which the air-dried pulp brings to the bleaching stage per ton after the washing shall be less than 10 kilograms. The secondary hot contaminated condensate, which is heated to 75 Celsius degree and on the alkali recovery evaporation stage, may be used as the washing water of the second twin-roll wash press. The dilution factor shall be controlled at 2.5, which means the washing water amount for the air-dried pulp per ton is about 4.6 cubic meters. The filtrate of the second twin-roll wash press shall be used as the washing liquid of the first twin-roll wash press. The max temperature of the extracted black liquor is up to 94 Celsius degree by this kind of washing method, and the consistency of the black liquor is above 16%. Then the washed stock on the oxygen delignification stage is fed into the bleaching stage. DHT EOP D1 D2 method shall be applied for the bleaching. The bleaching on the D2 stage can be replaced by the hydrogen peroxide bleaching, which is light ECF bleaching. Chlorine dioxide is used as the bleaching agent for this bleaching process, as it has good selectivity and it damages the fiber slightly, and pulp with high strength and high whiteness shall be produced by it. The viscosity of the pulp per kilogram is up to 800 mm. The whiteness is up to above 90% ISO. The washing water consumption amount of this process is few. The dilution factor on the stages of DHT and D1 is 1.0 to 1.5, and is no more than 2.0 on the stages of EOP and D2. The washing water on the D2 stage can be used as the white water of paper making. The total clear hot water consumption amount of the air-dried pulp per ton is less than 7.2 cubic meters. The discharged effluent amount is about 10 cubic meters. The discharged COD is less than 20 kilograms, and the AOX is less than 0.15 kilogram. The bleached stock shall be stored in the high-concentration pulp storage tower after the washing. We pay high attention on the harmony between the human beings and the environment. Our ongoing goal is to realize the green development of the industry.